Hello, YouTube world. Thank you for tuning in. If you're interested in making $1,000 online, then listen to what we have to say. Today, go to the description down below, check out the link in the description, and follow the instructions within that link, and it'll tell you all the stuff that we do to make money online if you're interested in making money online. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be alerted of whenever we drop any kind of content on this channel. And see you at the top.
Do you want to make over $1,000 per week online? We're about to show you the easiest and fastest way to make that. If you want to make that, you have two choices. You have the easy way, and then you have the hard way. Let's explain. The hard way is taking a lot of your hard-earned money out of your wallet and going and buying a sign-up business kit. You know what? The ones where people say, do you want to get rich? And you get all excited, and then they hit you with, but you got to give me a few $100 or $500 or $1,000 to join. Then you find a bunch of people that are broke, can't afford it. That's kind of hard, isn't it? Or let's show you the easy way. Want to make some big money online? You're going to find people that ask you, how much is it going to cost me? And you get to say, free. Isn't that easier? See, these MLM groups, especially on Facebook, look at this one, has 75,000 members. All of them are in different business opportunities, and 99% of them are struggling to get leads and signups. We help them get leads and signups in their business. Everybody loves us, wants us, and needs us. All we do is post hot graphic images that we've already made for you with superior copywriting that's known to convert. We literally give you all the graphics that you need and show you how to post them. What happens is all those people in those groups, for example, they all want to know how to get hot leads and signups. They practically beg you for them. And they're going to ask you, well, how do I get started? And then you get to say, it's free. Listen, they don't even need a credit card. We can't take a credit card even if we wanted to. When we say free, we mean free. Fill in a form, get started. No credit card required. How easy is that? When they become a full member, you start making $25 payments every single month. Month after month after month, that $25 keeps coming as long as they stay active. So what if you had 10 people? That's an extra $250 a month. 50 people is $1,250 a month. 100 people is $2,500 a month. And over 400 people is $10,000 a month. How hard is it to find free people? You can find hundreds of them. So let me ask you this question real quick. Who do you know that can't afford free? You already know the answer. Everybody can afford free. So, if you want to find out more, everyone is joining this. Hundreds and hundreds of people are signing up a day, and you're missing out if you don't join too. Remember, you can join for free. Fill out the form and go ahead and get started today for free. No credit card required. We'll see you on the other side.
Let me ask you a question. What if I wanted to give you 50% of our business and all the hard costs come out of our end, not yours, and you get to keep up to 50% of the profits? Do we have your attention yet? What if the same business has millions of people begging us for our product and have no problem paying for it? If we don't have your attention yet, please see if you have a pulse, because we are about to set you up in a turnkey, everything done for you business. You see all the people making all the big money online. You know the ones driving your dream car, living in huge houses, taking luxurious vacations, and buying what they want when they want. Guess what? They are not doing anything new. As a matter of fact, they are doing the exact thing that made millions back in the 1800s, but have moved it online, so the money comes in much faster. Think about this. Who got rich during the gold miner days? Hint, it wasn't the gold miners. It was the people that sold them picks, shovels, and pans because they had to have the tools to mine the gold. The store owners never had to put a pan in the water to get filthy rich. Now fast forward to today's times. Millions of people join biz-ops every day. They market about every product under the sun, and every single person in all those businesses needs sign-ups and sales. Let's face it, 99% of people involved in any biz-op fail. They are in the no friends left club, and most who try doing internet marketing fall flat on their face. These people jump from business to business and never seem to have success. All of them want hot leads that are ready to see the deal they are pitching, and we have them. All the top earners are using a new system that helps newbies go from failing to putting them on their company leaderboard, fast. It's called Conversion Pros. The who's who of the biz-op industry all are using us. We have the testimonials to prove it. It is the most revolutionary marketing tool suite ever developed. Here are some of the tools included: 100% customizable capture pages, landing pages, pages with video backgrounds, video pages with 1, 2, or 3 videos, complete funnel systems, built-in unlimited autoresponder, share codes to team duplicate, mobile website, WordPress blog, URL tracking, URL rotator, email broadcaster, SMS texting, voice broadcasting, and the hottest leads that convert like crazy. You will also get trained by 6- and 7-figure earners that have dominated the industry, and you will never be upsold. We will continue to unleash killer tools and training that will be included. Again, we never ask for more money once you are a member. So what we are going to do is make you our partner. Millions of people need our tools and leads and buy them every day. We have the servers, the programmers, the tools, and all of that comes out of our end, not yours. Even though we are willing to split all the profit with you. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 50% commissions just by referring people to our system. We are about to set you up into the multi-million-dollar leads and tools business. You must be sitting back thinking this will cost you a lot of money. So let me ask you this question. Do you have $1? You probably do and would waste it on a double cheeseburger, a coffee, cola, or even a taco. Okay, a taco is never a waste of money, but do any of these things have the potential to make you thousands of dollars? No, just gas and indigestion. Wouldn't you rather get your share of the obscene commissions we pay out every single Friday? We will leave you with 2 thoughts. Number 1, people buy our product every day. It might as well be from you. There is never any shortage of demand for hot converting leads and tools. It is always in demand. Number 2, proof is a lot better than hype. So after you fill out the form, we will show you proof on a webinar from people just like you using our system and getting insane results. So what are you waiting for? Go scrape up 4 quarters, fill out the info, see the proof, and get started today.
Feel just like a rock star.